prepare your 5mm and 3mm hex wrench. Adjust tension control on 3 numerical panels with a 5mm hex wrench. Turn arrow to greater numbers to increase tension. Now open the door to the 90°. Door will accelerate and slam. Adjust swing speed by turning toward negative. Open door to 90° and close. Notice slower swing speed, but latch speed remains fast. Door will slam slightly. Adjust latch speed by turning toward negative. Open door to 90°. Notice swing speed remains fast, but latch speed becomes slower. Door will slam slightly. Enable hydraulic damper. Use 3mm hex wrench to loosen side lock and screw. Use 5mm hex wrench. Turn toward +1 revolution. Use 3mm hex wrench. Turn toward plus. Adjust hydraulic damper. Use a 3mm hex wrench by turning minus to increase hydraulic damper, or by turning plus to decrease hydraulic damper. Open door to 90°. Door now closes smoothly, without slamming. Finally, use 3mm hex wrench to lock side screws on middle and bottom hinges. Door closes with speed control perfectly.